Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. This is Villain Hacker from Blackhead Pakistan. In this course, I'm going to show you how you can card products and how you do carding. So first of all, why this course? Okay. So in this video, I will tell you why this course. For that, we are created already courses about carding, but still some of persons not understand carding well. So for that, we are creating this new version of our carding course. Okay. So I hope you guys got it. Okay, so for your information, I am so weak at English language, so sorry for my spelling and speaking mistakes. So let's go to introduction. Okay, so what is carding? Carding is using someone credit card for online purchase like digital products and physical products. You can purchase digital and physical product. What is between difference digital and physical? So digital product like computer softwares like Filmora and Telegram Premium and other program which have subscription. So it's called digital product. And about physical product is simply you can say iPhone and computer, LED screen, or the things which you can touch. It's called physical products. Okay, so using someone credit card for online purchase without card owner information, it's called carding. Without user without user permission, if you are using his credit card for online purchasing, it's called carding. Okay, so who is carders? Carders are the people who use the cards of other without permission. Carder is the person who using someone credit card without his permission. Okay, so is carding part of hacking? That is the most valid question. A lot of people asking me that, is carding part of hacking? So yes, of course, it's part of hacking. Without carding, hacking is incomplete. So we are teaching algorithm just for educational purpose, like for there is a fire. Okay, I give example of fire. With fire you can cook something, you can cooking with something. Okay, with fire you can hurt someone. So it's depend on your mind. You are using it on black way, you are use it that on evil way, or you are using that a good way. So it's depend on you. So I hope you guys understand, and let's start with carding course. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.